Welcome to iDispatch 24/7. My name is Harvey and I am here to help you decide whether dispatching is right for you. So let's jump into it. First off, as a dispatcher you need to understand that communication and coordination are key to ensuring products and goods are picked up and delivered in a timely manner. As a truck dispatcher, you will be responsible for receiving calls for truck services and contacting your fleet of truck drivers to arrange the pickups and deliveries. You will also be responsible for monitoring the movement of trucks and communicating with drivers and brokers to ensure everything runs smoothly. As a dispatcher, you will need to be able to manage your time effectively to ensure that pickups and deliveries are made on time and that drivers are kept on schedule. You'll need to balance the needs of multiple drivers and multiple deliveries, and be able to make quick decisions to ensure everything runs smoothly. In addition to coordinating and managing schedules, you will also be responsible for booking routes with brokers and completing logistics. This includes collecting and taking care of paperwork and multitasking, such as checking and answering emails, phone calls, and communicating with other departments like accounting, safety, and our. Dispatchers rely heavily on technology to perform their duties. You'll need to be comfortable using a variety of software and tools, such as GPS tracking systems, dispatching software, and communication tools. Familiarity with these technologies will be important to your success as a dispatcher. To be successful in this profession, you will need a variety of skills including coordination, monitoring, reading comprehension, service orientation, speaking, time management, writing, active listening, critical thinking, active learning, complex problem solving, judgment and decision making, negotiation, social perceptiveness, mathematics, persuasion, systems analysis and systems evaluation. Dispatchers are often the first point of contact for customers and clients. You'll need to be able to communicate effectively and be able to provide excellent customer service. You'll need to be able to handle complaints and provide solutions to problems, all while maintaining a positive and professional demeanor. As a dispatcher, you'll need to stay up to date on changes in the industry to ensure compliance and to ensure that you're providing the best service possible to your clients and customers. The transportation industry is constantly changing, so it is important to stay informed about new regulations, laws, and best practices. A career as a truck dispatcher is fast-paced, challenging, and rewarding. It requires a high level of attention to detail and the ability to multitask, but the end result is the satisfaction of knowing that you played a truly critical role in the transportation industry. With experience, dispatchers can go on to become logistics managers, transportation managers, and even operations managers, among other roles. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your career, we can provide you with the knowledge, skills, and experience you need to at least decide whether being a dispatcher is what you truly want. If you're interested in becoming a truck dispatcher, we invite you to learn more about our training program and how it can help you achieve your career goals. Thank you for considering this profession and for watching this video. We hope that it has provided you with a better understanding of the role of a truck dispatcher and the skills required to excel in this profession.